This is the Pittsburgh Power remote diagnostic kit. It has a computer, it has cables, and it's set up to connect to the shop via team viewer. And more connectivity and instructions. So at any rate, you get all of this, and then you just carry it in your truck and plug in. If you've got a problem, you're on the side of the road, plug it in, call, get a hold of the tech, and they can diagnose the issue and maybe fix it right then and there, or have some parts ordered before your tow truck comes. Pretty slick. Okay, we have a truck that's got an issue, and we're going to do a remote diagnosis. If you're say you're a driver on the side of the road, and you've got this Pittsburgh Power kit, you would plug into your
data port,
your data port, and they may be in different places in different trucks.
Key on.
Turn your key on, and you're plugged into the computer.
Now you wait for us to call you, and we'll take your team viewer. The team viewer here set up.
Okay.
You have your ID number.
Then we're going to connect via team viewer. And this is after you contacted the tech at Pittsburgh Power, which is on call up till 9 p.m. Then what happens?
Then we'll ask for your, once you open team viewer, we'll ask for your ID number, which is a 9-digit number, and then there's a 4-digit password after that.
Okay, after you've connected via team viewer,
we take control.
then the shop takes control of what's going on. So at this point, nothing more has to happen on the driver's side, right?
Correct.
All right. This is what you would see along the side of the road or in a shop where you're looking for help with remote diagnosis or remote tuning. Yes. Okay, we are at the Pittsburgh Power shop, and contact has been made by the driver or the shop owner, and has now connected with TeamViewer to the shop console. Now what happens?
Okay, so after we connect here, we'll ask you a few questions on there, and it'll connect, bring up the remote laptop screen where I will be able to connect to the truck, and then we can access everything that we can see from the laptop.
Okay, so at this point, the shop, the control center, is connected to the truck that you just saw with the other TeamViewer computer.
Yes, and we'll be able to pull any information we wish there or view what is going on at that moment of the truck. So if it's a diagnostics, we can take a look at the live time data and what the truck is actually doing in this case and see if a sensor value or something is wrong. And then if there is an issue, we can tell you what is going on and give you a recommendation of what is the problem. And then we can also make changes, if it's necessary, to the engine from the laptop or from our computer.
So after they've diagnosed the thing and they see what's appearing in the ECM and reading out, then the control center can make recommendations as to what has to happen and can send a signal out to either flip a switch or turn a sensor on, find out that you got a bad sensor, or what is the problem, or in a tuning case, how to make it better.
Yeah, we can make our changes and then send them over the internet via a click of a button.
Make the changes, and via TeamViewer, the changes get made.
And just done.
Bang, you're back on the road. Or if you've discovered that it's something of a more serious nature, you have decided that you can order the parts before the tow truck has arrived to pick you up. What could be better?
Can't go wrong there.
So, in any event, be more than happy to demonstrate it to you and make your life a little bit better.